When we think about the standards that we develop specifically to minimize and reduce the damage and the risk associated with products like e-bikes, we know that those standards are actually going to ensure that when our stakeholders, when users interact with that product, that there's a lower level of concern when it comes to that product overheating, for example, or if that battery were to go into thermal runaway and cause a fire or an explosion. And the reason being, simply put, is that the standard is designed with a minimum set of requirements, considerations, construction requirements, all different types of safety considerations to ensure that whether it's a product developer, whether it's a manufacturer, whether it's the average consumer or user who's interacting with that product, all of those stakeholders are taken into account, and all of that information is translated into safe requirements in the standard. And at the end of the day, the standard really provides a solution to ensuring safety for us all.